Back to another E36 update. Hi Giri.
Hi.
Sir.
Hi.
Okay, so we are back in my E36. The window doesn't work lah. So 25 years of use, the window fails.
Yeah, a common problem for the 36.
Okay.
Okay, normally the window on the driver's side will fail because crack on the regulator itself.
Okay.
Motor, or there's a butterfly with a plastic piece.
Because right now when I open the window, it opens up but doesn't go up properly or just hangs in the air.
Down. I can show you this.
Okay. So some samples here. Yeah. So if you see here, it goes down well, but coming up, it gets stuck. You see there, it's off alignment. Something is wrong lah. It doesn't work. So you got to. Yeah, it's just stuck lah. It doesn't work like now.
So what you're going to do is you're going to open and show you what is the issue.
Yeah. And I guess how easy is the parts for this car?
Parts can find, the regulator can find. Motor also can find.
New or used?
Used.
Used lah.
Normally used lah.
So that's the issue because it's all used parts. So depending how good the used parts are lah.
Yeah, that's the thing lah. So most parts are coming from China and all that.
Oh.
So the regulator actually can get new, but Taiwan.
I see. Okay. Look the leather they make lah, huh?
Yeah. Sometimes they have a fabric also. Only
I seen the fabric one, but the leather, yes, it's very well.
Yes.
Something interesting, you know the switch over here? People are giving free plans to print out and and replace them with 3D printed. So if any of you out there have a missing knobs, you can actually print them out. 3D printing.
3D printing.
What a world, huh?
We're moving forward really now. It's all gone already.
Oh.
Another common problem with 36.
Yep.
You see this? It's all break.
Oh, so all the clips will break lah.
This is like a.
But this is a hole is here and there. This is I guess this is the
metal to hold the clip lah.
So you gotta bend this back.
No. You just clip in straight.
Oh, clip in straight. Okay. And there we are, the inside of an E36 window.
This is called vapor barrier.
Oh, I see. Because the water will go in here and come through there, and there's a hole there to go out drainage.
There's supposed to be a rubber.
Oh, it's rubber there. Yeah. Okay. And I guess this will keep the barrier, the vapor from coming to the car. So what do we have here?
Now we try again one more time.
Okay. Oh, I see it.
Can you see?
This whole piece flex.
Can you see here? Underneath?
Oh yeah.
Now we're going to remove this.
Only this whole thing flex this way.
Because of you're supposed to have a screw here. So all riveted.
Oh, I see.
Here also.
So even here, there is a piece of metal coming here. Like what you have here?
Yes, right.
Piece of metal here. So it's not bonded on this part, and something even here is lost. So I see. Isn't that amazing, huh? Being able to be expert, he saw the car, he said, nope, this is welding issue, this one is gone, must, the point is broken.
Now you can see clearly. So?
I see, there we are. So here, this piece is gone, and this piece is gone.
Okay, now you're just going to move it up a little bit, you can see.
Oh, yeah, oh my god. Oh, no. I see. So what are the options here? You can buy a whole new regulator set, which is cost.
Motor we can use back.
Motor is good.
we just need to change the regulator.
This whole,
Whole assembly.
gear assembly
The
there.
gear assembly.
Okay.
We have to remove the glass out.
Yep.
Because then we have to drill through this. Take out this rivet. This is the original rivet.
Oh, so original from factory, just riveted in.
Yeah. Normally, then aftermarket we change to the number 10 bolt.
So they thought this will never break lah.
Yeah. And I have a 2 set. You can check the crack.
Okay. So these are what? Oh, even here is cracked.
Yeah.
I saw from far away. I saw here.
Okay. That's one crack.
It's cracked here.
This is the main one crack.
Cracked here. So it's a very common thing lah.
Yeah, very common thing. All driver side.
There's all driver side.
Okay, another thing is, where's the butterfly? See? The roller.
The roller.
Inside here.
It came off. Dislodged lah.
Dislodged. And there's another piece. See inside there. This is the roller.
Roller. Okay.
This common problem, crack, and also the butterfly for this. This part is to move the window up and down.
Okay. So you can't weld back. You can't weld this back, right? This is aluminium.
Aluminium. Actually, can. There's aluminium you can do
Welding.
back. But it must be.
But in my case, I'm missing the whole.
You have to change the whole regulator.
Yeah, because I'm missing the whole part here.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Here at least is here you can weld back, but on my piece it's missing completely.
And here also.
And here completely. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
All right.
Okay, so job 1 for the E36. New regulator.